Yo, bro. You know you left your pre-workout here, right?
Oh, hold that for me still.
Well, can I try some?
Only take one scoop though, you'll be moving mad.
Alright, cool. One scoop though. No, I'm bigger than him though. Let me do 2. Maybe I should have done 3 scoops.
Yo, bro, you jumping in the creek?
Yeah. Grab that one. My man left it yesterday.
Ah, see.
Only take one scoop though.
Gabriel, you alright? No, seriously, my boy. Are you okay?
Run.
Yo, what's going on, guys? So today is a pretty busy day. Oh, welcome to the I was gonna say video, the vlog video. Anyway, yeah, today's a mad busy day, so we just thought, as well as the training and nutrition and all that kind of stuff, we're just gonna kind of take you through the day. You know what I'm saying? You see what we do. First bit is guys are already here. So you would have already seen it, but we're just filming the skit, which was at the beginning of this video, and it is flipping hilarious. A couple of things. I actually got a new camera coming. Even though I dropped it in Egypt last year, since then it hasn't been right. So finally, bitten a bullet, and I'm getting a new camera. Speaking of bullets, also had this sent out, which is from Promix, the new version of their version of like the NutriBullet, but apparently it's the world's only performance nutrition blender. So
Hello, sir.
hey, yes.
Hello there.
Hello.
I'm the postman.
Alright, so now there's like tons of stuff to unbox. We got, alright, let me show y'all. So we got the A7 III, and then also we got the Sony Zeiss 55mm 1.8, and then upstairs, which already was delivered, was a 24-70 Sigma f2.8 art lens. But we got a meeting in a minute, so I'm gonna use this new blender to make a smoothie. Alright, so the mic wasn't recording any of the stuff that I was talking about. So yeah, I didn't plug it in properly. It wasn't fully all the way in. When we were outside, nothing. Everything inside, the prelim talks that I was talking, nothing. So what I was trying to say, let me just give you a quick rundown, is got a new program from Screamer. It's a very low volume. He's trying to like just build me up, like give me more recovery time, slowly build it up. I'm gonna be documenting on Instagram. I'm just trusting the process, putting everything in his hands. And also, the program that Jordan's doing is actually a program on my new subscription site. And I don't know how it's gonna work with us doing different programs. That's pretty much what I said. So. again, it's one of those ones that if I don't make sure that my shoulders are in a perfect position, I'm writing myself off, especially on this side.
I'm gonna be 100% honest with you guys. I don't like training like this. I don't like you doing your program. I don't like me having a different program. It's actually horrible.
If I create a program based on what I've got, but adapt it to best suit him, so we're all doing similar exercises, but just different rep ranges, maybe a couple other bits here and there, it will make more sense. I think that we need to figure out a way to make this work, because the vibe and training together and having each other to bounce off of is just...
We relied on it so much. Like,
it's not relying on it, it's like...
not comfortable.
Yeah, you're just like, you've gone from having a training partner to like, not.
It's a bit dead.
Yeah, so you need to...
I think dead's an understatement as well.
I'll figure it out though.
You always do.
But anyway, these men are going to check out some new equipment, upgrading, because we got an announcement, probably coming soon, but we'll let you know kind of what our meetings are all about and stuff.
So you're probably wondering who you lot is, and this is Patrick, the new addition to the journey.
Yeah, trying to get him to compete as well.
Yep, and whilst Gabriel's doing his powerlifting stuff, he'll be my bodybuilding buddy, pretty much.
Something like that.
Something like that. Bro.
Yeah, and then I need to get my hair cut because I'm looking like a hobo.
You know I'm staying hobo until I compete, you know.
Bro, I'm not. I thought I could do it, AJ, Anthony Joshua, and like, you know, stay hobo until I win. Allow it. He won, so vicariously I'm living through.
Game time still. I have to get a new lappy. Hopefully I can still. Because yeah, I need it.
If they don't have it in stock, they'll deliver it next day.
Wow. We'll come, let's get some lappies, bro.
If they land at the same time, it's
Come on.
problems.
I know.
Tomorrow.
In the hours.
7:30.
What's the verdict? The verdict is, bruv, the whole system's flawed, man. I'm just trying to get my Mac.
Winner of that.
Do you know what? I don't even know what to do.
Yep.
Well, all that's for me.
Yeah, there's two.
Just two.
Yeah, you can open them.
Just pull that one. Something from Marvel Studios. They've sent the whole Infinity Saga.
No.
Okay, so Nai hasn't seen, like, when it comes to like the Marvel stuff, Nai hasn't seen all of the things for it to make sense. So you know we have to watch through all of these, right?
Yes.
Alright, so man like Mr. Q is here to turn this into something that doesn't look like this, because
Looking real homeless right now.
so the transformation is going to happen in 3, 2, 1. Ha ha. Ha ha. Ha ha. You know what to do. Smash the ting, yeah?